Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in, taking me to a total down the right hand side here. You'll see it says my commissions $165. Excuse me, and 40 cents. And underneath here, this number here, 700, is really important because 700 commissions have been paid to members in the last 24 hours. So this is not just something that's converting for myself. It's also it's called the mega link. It's the mega link that is converting as well for other members. Excuse me. I'm going to take you inside the members area shortly and show you exactly how everything works. And this is the mega link. If you're not familiar with it, is one link where you can earn up to 7 income streams. I will show you some proof of those multiple income streams shortly. And if you want to get a free video tour, so scroll down here. This is the owner and creator of OLSP System Megalink. And this is Wayne Crowe. And Wayne gives a free video tour here. So the link in the description will give you access to this free video tour. Just lasts about 10 minutes. Gives you a great overview of exactly what this product is and how it can potentially work for you. Let me show you some proof of the multiple income streams. I'm going to go into commission, your commissions, and I'll just blur out the members' information for privacy. I'll just load up some more transactions here. So if I go back to the beginning of my journey, so that's what I just showed you previously. This column here is the balance. That's what I just showed you previously, $165 and 40 cents. If I go back to the beginning here, December the 6th, this is the column with the dates in, and this mega link here is 100% commission. One-time payment of $7, so there's no monthly membership costs. You pay a one-time $7, and what you get for this, the value you get is absolutely insane. I've never seen an offer where you get so much value. So what you'll see here is that there's other products here. So Mega Messenger is a one-time special offer. That's a $10.80 commission. And you'll see that's there again, Mega Messenger. Here again, Mega Messenger. Another product within the Done For You funnel is list building and Magic Link. This one here, list building and Magic Link. Another $7 commission. Another list building and Magic Link has come in here. And further up here, another list building and Magic Link. So you promote one link and you've got the opportunity to earn multiple income streams. So I want to share that with you just to show that the multiple income streams is working. So I'm going to go back into the dashboard now and just show you a couple of important things. And Wayne really prides himself on the training and support that you're going to get. So even as a beginner, he wants you as a beginner to start earning your first commissions online. And these 2 free trainings here when you first get your mega link. First one, how I made 10 million in commissions, access that product there. And this one here, the 100 times commission hack, access that product there. So you access product to get those 2 free trainings. And this is a gentleman who's been affiliate marketing for 15 years. So he knows exactly what he's doing, and his trainings are absolutely superb. So let me just show you, it does weekly live trainings as well. There's a lot more to it that I'm going to show you here in this video. Let me just now go into and show you how this system completely works. So I don't want you, first of all, don't get overwhelmed if you're brand new by all these boxes. because they're not going to really concern you at this stage, and I'll show you why. So just move that out the way there. Now, what you get here is Wayne. This is a training that when you get your mega link, this is a training that Wayne does. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 6 videos there. So what he's done, you see this, he's drawn this line down here. This line is really, really important. Now, everything to the left of that line, so those 2 boxes there, is all that concerns you. That's all you've got to worry about. We don't have to worry about anything, but this is all that really concerns you. And I'll show you why. Because what happens is you're going to get your mega link. So if you look in the top right, you pay one time $7, and your mega link is an affiliate link. And you get your mega link top right hand corner there. And that's it there. And the only thing that you have to do is drive traffic and learn traffic, traffic to that mega link. That's it. That's all you've got to do. And I'll show you here why everything else takes over. So what Wayne has done, everything to the right hand side of this line here is a complete 100% done for you system. Absolutely, the value is just insane. And I'll explain here how this works now. So he's going to train, you see here training. So he's going to train you on the traffic, how to get traffic, training. There's trainings I just showed you in the members area. There's weekly live trainings, questions and answers. And with that training, you're going to promote your mega link, and it even gives you this done for you lead capture page. So you don't have to create a lead capture page. You don't have to create any subject lines, autoresponder messages. You don't have to pay for any monthly autoresponder subscriptions. It's all done for you for a one-time $7. And then what happens is, when your prospects, you promote your squeeze page or lead capture page, and then when they opt in, the system starts to build you your own email list. And on autopilot, it automatically, Wayne does all this for you. He sends out emails for you on autopilot. No autoresponder costs, nothing to set up, completely done for you. And then what happens is, within those emails there is your affiliate link to the products. You don't even have to create the products, because Wayne has created the products, our own products. He's created the products for you. And then what happens is, there's low ticket products, there's some a bit more higher ticket, there's monthly recurring ones where you can earn monthly recurring commissions, and there's even high ticket ones as well. So if any of your prospects, anybody from your emails that go out, buy any of these products, then that's when you start to earn your commissions. So when I showed you those 3 commissions that just came from one link and one lead capture page, Wayne has been sending out emails for me on autopilot, and his team. He's got 32 staff, him and his team, and then they do that for you. Now this is a one-time $7. So the link in the description will take you to the page where you can join. One-time $7. And let's put here NMC, no monthly costs. Now it gets even better than that, because what he does, he excels and prides himself on community support and training. And he's got a Facebook group with 142,000 members. So within this Facebook group, Wayne is very interactive, and there's thousands of very successful affiliate marketers in here to help you. A lot of new beginners are coming into here saying they've made their first dollar online. Very excited. They've tried lots of other systems, and they're starting to make their first dollar online. And not only their first dollar, but also getting into profit, which is great to see. It's great to see people join the 97%, sorry, the 3% who succeed versus the 97% who fail. So that just sort of gives you, if we go back here, don't get overwhelmed. There's lots of circles, lots of squares, lots of boxes, it's a funnel. You don't have to be concerned with anything. All you've got to do is join, get your mega link, and we will teach you how to get traffic. There's free traffic, cheap traffic, paid traffic, to get traffic to your mega link and to your lead capture page. So I'd also like to make an income disclaimer in this video in the description. I'm not making any income claims or guarantees. I'm just showing you what works for me, and we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System and become an affiliate to promote the offer. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently on my channel, I'm doing several new videos every week. I've got over 1,000 videos now on my channel. And if you've got any questions about OLSP System, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So I just recommend, if you want more information, just the link in the description gives you access to the video here. Watch us come and meet Wayne Crowe, and he'll tell you all about the mega link. There's more information on this page as well. And then we'd love you to come and join our team and help you become successful with OLSP System. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.